Your headlights look tired, cloudy, almost blind, but what if a clever German trick could make them pop like they just rolled off the showroom floor? In the next few minutes, you'll see a surprisingly simple method that drivers swear by. No expensive kits, no mechanic, just a smart hack that feels almost illegal how well it works. And trust me, the transformation you're about to see will make you question why anyone spends hundreds fixing headlights. Stay tuned. This one is seriously satisfying. Trick number 13, the baking soda paste. Start by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water until a thick paste forms. The mixture should feel slightly gritty but spread smoothly across the surface. This texture matters because the tiny particles in baking soda act like a gentle polishing compound on the plastic lens. Apply the paste generously over the cloudy headlight. Use your fingers or a soft cloth to spread it evenly so the entire lens is covered. Foggy headlights often have a thin layer of dirt, residue, and light oxidation sitting on the outer plastic, and this paste helps loosen that buildup. Now begin scrubbing with a soft cloth or sponge using small circular motions. Keep the pressure steady but controlled so the paste can do the work without scratching the plastic. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes working across the whole lens, paying extra attention to the dullest areas where haze usually builds up the most. Baking soda works because it is a mild abrasive. As you scrub, it gently polishes away surface grime and very light oxidation. After rinsing the headlight with clean water and wiping it dry, the difference becomes noticeable. The lens usually looks clearer and light can pass through more easily. Trick number 12, toothpaste and elbow grease. Want a surprisingly simple hack that actually works? White toothpaste, yes, the stuff in your bathroom, can bring foggy headlights back to life. Its mild abrasives polish away light oxidation and surface grime without fancy tools. Spread a generous layer over the lens and get ready to put some elbow grease into it. Circular motions are key. Scrubbing evenly ensures every cloudy spot gets attention. Within minutes of consistent scrubbing, the difference is obvious. Clarity jumps from about 55% to 82%, making your headlights shine brighter and letting more light cut through the night. Street signs appear sharper and driving feels safer. Even a quick rinse afterward leaves the lens noticeably clearer. But this isn't a permanent fix. Without further protection, the shine fades in roughly 2 months as the plastic slowly reoxidizes. So follow the toothpaste with a car wax or sealant. This layer locks in the polish, slowing down future yellowing and haze, and extends the life of your work. It's a low-cost, hands-on method that delivers real results. For drivers looking for brighter headlights without expensive kits, this toothpaste trick is a surprisingly effective German-inspired hack. Trick number 11, WD-40 Quick Fix. WD-40 isn't just for squeaky hinges, it's a favorite quick fix for foggy headlights too. Spray a little on the lens, wipe it across, and suddenly your headlights look almost brand new. Clarity can jump from around 30% to 70% in seconds, making night driving feel brighter and sharper instantly. It's the kind of instant gratification that's hard to resist. But here's the kicker. The effect is fleeting. Within 24 to 72 hours, that shine disappears as quickly as it came. The fog returns, leaving the headlights back in their dull, cloudy state. That's why you'll often see shady sellers using WD-40 on cars just before photos. It creates a perfect illusion, but it's nothing permanent. Why does it work temporarily? WD-40 displaces water and oils on the surface, giving a short-lived, polished look. It doesn't remove oxidation or restore the plastic, it just tricks your eyes for a moment. WD-40 might wow you for a photo or a single night drive, but it's a shortcut that disappears faster than a parking spot on a Friday night. Trick number 10, vinegar and baking soda combo. Want a headlight hack that's almost like science class in action? Mixing vinegar and baking soda creates a fizzing reaction that actually cleans foggy lenses. The tiny bubbles lift dirt and lightly oxidized plastic, making the surface noticeably clearer. It's simple, safe, and surprisingly effective for regular maintenance. Start by sprinkling baking soda over the headlight surface. Then pour or spray white vinegar slowly on top. Watch it fizz and bubble. That reaction is the cleaning action at work. The bubbles gently break down grime and the thinnest oxidation layers without scratching the lens. Use a soft cloth or sponge to spread the mixture evenly. A few minutes of scrubbing and swirling in circular motions is enough. Rinse with water and dry with a microfiber cloth. Almost instantly, clarity improves from about 50% to 70%. That means more light passes through, making nighttime driving safer and road signs more visible. This trick works best for light oxidation and regular maintenance. It won't replace heavy-duty restoration for deeply yellowed headlights, but it keeps lenses looking fresh between major cleanings. Trick number 9, magic eraser scrubbing. Micro-abrasive foam isn't just for scuff marks on walls. It works wonders on headlights too. The magic eraser gently polishes away light haze, dust, and surface oxidation, restoring clarity without harsh chemicals. Its tiny fibers get into the uneven plastic surface, smoothing and brightening every corner of the lens. Dampen the eraser slightly, then scrub the headlight using steady circular motions. Cover the entire lens evenly, paying attention to areas where haze is strongest. The foam lifts debris and lightly buffs the plastic, making the lens look clearer almost immediately. After rinsing and drying, clarity typically improves from 70% to 85%. That jump may seem small, but it makes a noticeable difference at night. Light cuts through foggy roads more effectively, signs appear sharper, and driving feels safer and more confident. This technique shines as a maintenance tool rather than a full restoration. Deep yellowing or severe oxidation still requires stronger methods, but the magic eraser keeps lenses bright between major cleanings. Used regularly, it slows haze buildup, extending the lifespan of your headlights and maintaining that crisp, new car glow. It's simple, effective, and surprisingly satisfying. Trick number 8. Professional-grade plastic polish. Some solutions aren't just clever, they're professional-grade. Plastic polishes designed for clear plastics and even aircraft canopies deliver results that almost feel futuristic. These products are formulated to remove deep oxidation and fine scratches without damaging the lens. When applied correctly, the difference is staggering. Start by applying a small amount of polish to a soft microfiber or foam applicator. Work it into the headlight lens using steady, circular motions. The polish fills in micro scratches while dissolving the oxidized layer on top. Unlike household hacks, this method tackles heavy yellowing, not just surface haze. Within minutes, clarity can jump from about 35% to an impressive 97%. The lens becomes nearly optically perfect, letting nearly all light pass through unblocked. Nighttime visibility improves dramatically. Signs, lane markings, and pedestrians all appear sharper. Driving feels safer, and the car instantly looks more cared for. One of the biggest benefits is longevity. When sealed properly, professional-grade polish keeps headlights clear for up to 9 months. That means fewer maintenance sessions and long-lasting brilliance. Trick number 7. UV-resistant clear coat sealer. Restoring headlights is only half the battle. The real secret is protection. After polishing or cleaning, a UV-resistant clear coat sealer acts like an invisible shield over the lens. It blocks harmful ultraviolet rays that cause plastic to yellow and haze over time. Without it, even the most thorough restoration fades fast, often within 6 months. Applying the sealer is simple but essential. After the headlight is fully cleaned and polished, spread a thin, even layer across the entire lens. Let it dry completely before exposing the car to sunlight. This coating bonds to the plastic surface, creating a durable barrier that resists oxidation, grime, and minor scratches. The results are striking. Lenses maintain roughly 95% clarity for over a year. Nighttime light output stays high, improving road visibility and driver confidence. Signs, lane markings, and reflective markers become easier to see. Cars simply look newer, with headlights that shine consistently rather than gradually dimming. The clear coat sealer ensures all the effort spent restoring headlights lasts, turning temporary brilliance into a long-term upgrade. It's the final touch that keeps foggy lenses from returning. Trick number 6. Toothpaste plus car wax. White toothpaste acts as a gentle abrasive, polishing away light oxidation and surface haze. Carnauba wax then locks in the shine, creating a protective layer that keeps lenses clear longer. Together, they deliver results that feel almost magical. Start by thoroughly cleaning the headlights to remove dirt and grime. Spread white toothpaste over the lens and scrub in circular motions. Focus on cloudy areas, ensuring the entire surface is evenly polished. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a microfiber cloth. Next, apply 2 coats of Carnauba wax. The wax seals the polished surface, preventing UV damage and slowing future oxidation. It also fills tiny imperfections, making the lens smoother and improving light transmission. The results are dramatic. Clarity jumps from roughly 28% to 94%, and light output more than doubles. Night driving becomes safer, with road signs, lane markings, and pedestrians more visible. With occasional rewaxing, this method maintains brilliance for 12 to 18 months. It's a low-cost, hands-on approach that combines immediate restoration with long-term protection. Trick number 5. Automotive rubbing compound. This abrasive polish cuts through heavy oxidation and stubborn haze, restoring clarity that ordinary cleaners can't touch. With the right technique, foggy headlights transform from dull and yellowed to nearly crystal clear, dramatically improving light output. Begin by cleaning the headlight thoroughly to remove dirt and grime. Apply a small amount of rubbing compound to a soft cloth or foam applicator. Using steady circular motions, buff the lens evenly. The compound works by leveling the plastic surface and removing oxidized layers, revealing fresher, clearer material underneath. After a few minutes of careful polishing, rinse and wipe dry. Clarity can jump from roughly 30% to 93%, and light output more than doubles. Night driving becomes safer, with sharper visibility of road signs, lane markings, and obstacles. The cost advantage is huge. A $12 bottle of rubbing compound delivers results comparable to $150 to $200 professional restoration services. For best long-term results, finish with a layer of car wax or UV sealer. This locks in clarity, slows reoxidation, and ensures your headlights maintain their German-inspired brilliance for months. Trick number 4. The bug spray trick. For a quick, shocking improvement, some drivers turn to DEET-based bug spray. Sprayed directly onto foggy headlights, it reacts instantly with the oxidized plastic. Almost immediately, the lens appears dramatically clearer, sometimes jumping from 40% clarity to nearly 80%. The headlights shine bright, cutting through darkness and making old, cloudy lenses look almost new. At first glance, it feels like magic, and that wow moment is why this trick spreads like wildfire online. The way it works is simple chemistry. The spray dissolves the thin layer of oxidation that scatters light on the headlight surface. That layer is what makes plastic look yellowed and foggy, so removing it makes clarity improve almost instantly. The effect is visible after just a few seconds of spraying and wiping. Take note though, while it looks incredible at first, bug spray strips away the factory UV protective coating on the lens. Without that layer, the plastic becomes extremely vulnerable to sun damage. Within a few weeks, the headlights can turn even worse than before, yellowing faster than ever. It's a tempting shortcut for instant results, but the trade-off is serious. Trick number 3, wet sanding with proper grit progression. If you want headlights that look like they just rolled off the showroom floor, wet sanding is where the pros shine. This technique isn't a quick hack. It's a full-on detailing ritual that transforms even the dullest, yellowed headlights into crystal-clear lenses. The secret? A careful progression of sandpaper grit, starting at 1000 and moving to 2000, then finishing with 3000 grit. Each step removes deeper oxidation and scratches, slowly leveling the plastic surface. After sanding, a polishing compound brings the lenses to life. The difference is astonishing. What started at roughly 25% clarity can jump all the way to 95%, and your light output nearly doubles. Night driving becomes sharper, road signs pop, and even the smallest potholes are easier to spot. Your car practically gains a second set of eyes. However, without applying a UV sealant afterward, your headlights will yellow again, sometimes faster than before. Think of it as investing sweat for a long-lasting payoff. You get brilliance now, but protection is essential to keep it. Done right, wet sanding isn't just restoration, it's a full upgrade that makes foggy headlights vanish and keeps your car looking sharp. Trick number 2, steel wool polish. For drivers chasing that just like new headlight shine, steel wool might seem like a tempting shortcut. Using ultra-fine 0000 grade steel wool can make foggy headlights appear clearer at first glance. Just a few minutes of gentle rubbing can boost clarity from roughly 35% to 55%, giving the impression that the oxidation is fading away. Nighttime visibility seems improved and the lens looks cleaner, enough to make you feel like you found a secret hack. The only problem, steel wool is abrasive even at its finest grade. As it scrubs, it leaves countless micro scratches across the headlight surface. These tiny grooves aren't visible in the daylight, but they scatter light at night, reducing your headlight's effective output. Over time, those scratches accumulate, making your lenses look duller and even more foggy than before. The biggest risk is permanent damage. Unlike light oxidation that can be polished away, scratches from steel wool penetrate the plastic, leaving marks that no amount of cleaning or polishing can fully fix. While it feels satisfying for a quick shine, it's a short-term illusion with long-term consequences. If you want headlights that truly pop, safer methods like baking soda or professional wet sanding deliver clarity without harming the lens. This is a lesson. Instant shine isn't always worth the damage. Trick number 1. The Coca-Cola method. Some internet hacks sound too good to be true, and the Coca-Cola method is a perfect example. People swear that soaking or rubbing foggy headlights with Coke magically dissolves yellow oxidation. The logic? Phosphoric acid in the soda eats away the haze. It sounds scientific, and the videos make it look like magic. In practice, though, the results are underwhelming. Tests show clarity improves by only around 5%, barely noticeable on the road. That means your headlights still look cloudy, your light output barely changes, and the dramatic before and after transformations you've seen online. Mostly smoke and mirrors. The problem is that Coke is far too weak to remove the tough oxidation layers on plastic headlights. It can clean off some surface dirt, but it doesn't touch the deeper yellowing that blocks light. Worse, sticky sugar residue can build up if you don't rinse it off, attracting more grime over time. So, while it's fun to see cola fizz and bubble on a headlight, if your goal is real clarity and safer night driving, this viral trick won't cut it. Foggy headlights don't have to stay that way. The German trick restores clarity, boosts light, and keeps lenses shining longer. Stop risking night driving with dull lights. Take action now. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more smart car hacks.